ball on this pitch, Mohamed Amir. Expect some swing and some speed early. So here we go, folks. First ball, Mohamed Amir. Oh, that's worth the shot. That's got to be really close. Oh, my dearie. Oh, they can't believe that's out. Why? Well, I thought that is just plumb. Did he hit it? Let's have a look. This looked absolutely dead. Did he hit it? Oh, it's hit him right on the toe. The only question mark is that did he hit him just outside the line? Oh, there's another shout. Did he hit that? He has it. Oh, that's the start that Pakistanis wanted. Wow, that's all happening here, VVS.
A big wicket for Pakistan. Rohit Sharma, the man in form. What a start by Mohammad Amir.
Mohamed Amir getting it straight. Oh, it's come back and it's flipped his front pad and back pad and fast, straight with swing accuracy. Oh, yes. Let's have a look at here. Pitch is on. Oh, you just have to give that. That's out anywhere, even in my own backyard. Oh, that's worth a shot too. That's worth a shot. Boom! There's another one. Oh, the green team. Pakistan, 2 big wickets.
Orthodox batsman, plays the fast bowlers really well, but he has this issue. Straight away into the innings, he gets his head over the ball, falling over. Seen him get out quite a few times in that fashion. Let's have a look at that again. Impact now was well within the stumps, the impact.
Yeah, that's out. Good decision. Big decision. Up pleading and bang, the finger goes up. Mohamed Amir. Oh, beauty. Oh, the crowd now. They're on the edge of their seats here. What an over. What a start for Pakistan. It's 2 for 2. Oh, good running. Good backing up. In the air. Oh, there's number 3. Oh, there's number 3. Pakistan are back in this game.
It's all happening here. Leading edge. And an easy catch for Wahab Riaz. And wicket number 3 for India.
Outside edge. Oh, no, where's that second slip? Beautifully bowled again on a wonderful line of length. Terrific over. It's 20 for 3.
So Amir will bowl the 4th after all. It's a big call from the captain to bowl out Mohammad Amir early on. Round the wicket.